Welcome to the next module of your course, Problem-Solving Techniques for Help Desk Professionals. This module is designed to equip you with the essential skills and strategies needed to effectively resolve technical issues and deliver exceptional customer service as an IT help desk professional. This module provides a comprehensive overview of problem-solving techniques explicitly tailored to the demands of the help desk environment. In this short video lesson, students will learn how to effectively identify customer service problems using basic and advanced troubleshooting techniques. Lastly, students will learn how to identify help desk issues. Identifying help desk issues is crucial to ensuring efficient customer support and IT service management. It involves understanding, categorizing, and prioritizing problems reported by users or identified through monitoring systems. By effectively understanding symptoms and error messages, IT professionals can diagnose technical issues more accurately and efficiently, leading to faster resolution times and improved user satisfaction. Here's a guide on how to approach this. 1. Listen actively. When a user reports an issue, listen carefully to their description of the symptoms they're experiencing. Encourage them to provide as much detail as possible, including when the issue occurs, any error messages displayed, and any recent changes to their system or environment. 2. Identify symptoms. Start by identifying the specific symptoms of the problem. Symptoms could include slow performance, system crashes, error messages, unexpected behavior, or inability to access certain features or functions. 3. Document symptoms. Take detailed notes of the user's symptoms. Documenting the symptoms helps you track the issue's progression and identify patterns or commonalities among reported problems. 4. Recognize error messages. Pay close attention to any error messages or codes displayed to the user. Error messages often provide valuable clues about the nature and cause of the problem. Note the exact wording of the error message and any associated error codes. 5. Research error messages. Use online resources, documentation, or knowledge bases to research the meaning of error messages. Many error messages are well documented and have known resolutions or troubleshooting steps. 6. Analyze error patterns. Look for patterns or trends in the reported error messages. Are certain error messages recurring frequently? Are they related to specific actions or conditions? Analyzing error patterns can help you narrow down the possible causes of the problem. 7. Consult documentation and resources. Refer to system documentation, vendor support materials, forums, or online communities for guidance on interpreting error messages and resolving related issues. Often others have encountered similar problems and shared their solutions. 8. Test and verify. Once you have a hypothesis about the cause of the problem based on the symptoms and error messages, test your theory by applying potential solutions. Verify whether the proposed solution resolves the issue or alleviates the symptoms. 9. Iterate if necessary. If the initial solution doesn't fully resolve the problem, continue troubleshooting by gathering more information, testing alternative solutions, or seeking additional assistance from colleagues or experts. 10. Document solutions. Document the solutions you apply and their outcomes. Keep detailed records of the troubleshooting process, including any changes made to the system or environment. This documentation serves as a valuable reference for future incidents and helps build a knowledge base for your team. Understanding symptoms and error messages is crucial for efficiently diagnosing and resolving technical issues. Active listening is a communication technique that involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said by the speaker. It's a fundamental skill in various contexts, including personal relationships, professional settings, counseling, customer service, and conflict resolution. Here are the key components of active listening. 1. Pay attention. Active listening begins with giving the speaker your full attention. This means focusing on the speaker without distractions, such as checking your phone or thinking about something else. 2. Show interest. Demonstrate your interest in what the speaker is saying through verbal and nonverbal cues. Maintain eye contact, nod occasionally, and use affirmative gestures or words to encourage the speaker to continue. 3. Provide feedback. Offer feedback to the speaker to indicate that you are listening and understanding their message. This can include paraphrasing what they've said, asking clarifying questions, or reflecting on their emotions. 4. Defer judgment. Suspend judgment and avoid interrupting or formulating responses while the speaker is still talking. Instead, focus on understanding their perspective and feelings before offering your viewpoint. 5. Respond appropriately. Once the speaker has finished, respond in a way that shows you have understood their message. Acknowledge their concerns, validate their feelings, and provide constructive feedback or advice if appropriate. 6. Remember what was said. Make an effort to remember key conversation points for future reference. This demonstrates respect for the speaker's thoughts and helps maintain continuity in the discussion. Active listening fosters mutual understanding, trust, and effective communication between individuals. It promotes empathy, encourages open dialogue, and reduces misunderstandings or conflicts. By practicing active listening skills, you can build stronger relationships, resolve conflicts more effectively, and become a better communicator. Gathering information in a help desk setting is a critical step in effectively resolving user issues and providing high-quality support. Here's how it typically works. 1. Initial contact. The process starts when a user contacts the help desk to report an issue or request assistance. This contact can occur through various channels, such as phone calls, emails, online forms, or a dedicated help desk portal. 2. Information collection. The help desk staff member gathers pertinent information regarding the reported problem or request from the user. This information may include user's contact details, name, email, phone number, etc. Description of the issue or request, including symptoms, error messages, and relevant details about the user's environment, for example, operating system, software version. Steps taken by the user to troubleshoot the issue before contacting the help desk. 3. Ticket creation. A help desk ticket documents the issue or request based on the collected information. This ticket serves as a centralized record of the user's interaction with the help desk and facilitates tracking and prioritization of support tasks. 4. Classification and prioritization. The help desk staff member, playing a crucial role, classifies the ticket based on predefined criteria such as the type of issue, for example, hardware, software, or network. Next, they determine the severity level, for example, low, medium, high, critical, and impact on the user or organization. This pivotal task helps prioritize support efforts and allocate resources effectively. 5. Additional information gathering. Sometimes the user's initial information may not accurately diagnose the issue. The help desk staff member may need to ask additional questions or request further details from the user to gather more information and narrow down the problem. 6. Documentation. All relevant information collected during the interaction with the user is documented in the help desk ticket. This includes details about the issue reported, troubleshooting steps taken, any resolutions provided, and follow-up actions required. 7. Knowledge base utilization. If similar issues have been encountered, the help desk staff may consult the organization's knowledge base or internal documentation for known solutions or relevant troubleshooting steps. This helps in resolving issues more efficiently and ensures consistency in support practices. 8. Resolution and closure. Once the necessary information is gathered and the issue is resolved, the help desk staff member updates the ticket with the resolution details and closes it. If further action is required or the issue persists, the ticket may remain open for ongoing monitoring and follow-up. By effectively gathering information, help desk staff can accurately diagnose and resolve user issues on time, improving user satisfaction and overall productivity. Basic troubleshooting steps in an IT help desk setting follow a systematic approach to identify, isolate, and resolve technical issues users report. Here's a general outline of these steps. 1. Gather information. Obtain detailed information from the user about the problem they are experiencing. Ask questions to understand the symptoms, error messages, recent changes to the system, and any troubleshooting steps they have already taken. 2. Identify the problem. Based on the information gathered, attempt to identify the root cause of the issue. Determine whether it is related to hardware, software, network connectivity, user error, or other factors. 3. Isolate the issue. Narrow down the scope of the problem by isolating potential causes. This may involve testing different components, checking system logs, or temporarily disabling certain software or configurations to see if the issue persists. 4. Verify basic connectivity. Ensure basic connectivity components such as cables, network connections, and power sources function properly. Verify network connectivity if the issue involves accessing online resources or communicating with other devices. 5. Check for updates and patches. Ensure that software applications, drivers, and operating systems are updated with the latest patches and updates. Updating software can often resolve compatibility issues and security vulnerabilities. 6. Restart the system or application. Simply restarting the affected system or application can sometimes resolve temporary glitches or software conflicts. Encourage users to reboot their devices and retry the task before proceeding with further troubleshooting. 7. Review error messages. Analyze any error messages or alerts displayed on the screen to gain insights into the nature of the problem. Search for these messages in knowledge bases or online forums to find potential solutions or troubleshooting steps. 8. Perform diagnostic tests. Use built-in diagnostic tools or third-party utilities to run diagnostic tests on hardware components, for example, memory, hard drive, CPU, or network connections. These tests can help identify hardware failures or network issues. 9. Rollback changes. If the issue occurred after a recent software or configuration change, consider returning the changes to a previously known working state. This can help determine whether the recent modification causes the problem. 10. Escalate if necessary. If basic troubleshooting steps do not resolve the issue or require specialized expertise, escalate the ticket to higher-level support teams or subject matter experts. Provide relevant details and documentation to facilitate the escalation process. 11. Document the resolution. Once the issue is resolved, document the troubleshooting steps taken, the root cause of the problem, and the solution implemented. This documentation helps in knowledge sharing, future reference, and improving support processes. By following these basic troubleshooting steps, help desk staff can efficiently diagnose and resolve technical issues, minimize downtime, and ensure smooth operation of IT systems within the organization. Error messages serve several important purposes in software and system design, making them valuable rather than detrimental. Here's why error messages are considered beneficial. 1. Often, the error message will contain the solution for the issue. Most people don't read past the banner stating there's an error. They close the error message and call for help without ever reading what the message says. 2. Once you have confirmed the presence of an error message, you should have the customer repeat the steps needed to reproduce the error. As a rule, there is no issue if the customer cannot reproduce the error. 3. If the error can be reproduced, have the message read verbatim. Unless the error message is generic, this should give you a starting point in troubleshooting. 4. You should begin by researching the error message using Google search. If the issue is well known, typing in the error's first 4 or 5 words in the message will suffice. 5. Gather as much information about the issue as possible. If a piece of proprietary software generated the error, you can bring their help desk in on the call. This only applies if the client has a warranty or support agreement with the software manufacturer. The Microsoft Event Viewer is a system utility available in Windows operating systems. It is used for viewing and managing event logs, which record significant system events, errors, warnings, and informational messages generated by various software components and hardware devices. Here's an overview of the Microsoft Event Viewer and its key features. 1. Accessing Event Viewer. Event Viewer can be accessed via several methods. Use the Run dialog, Windows key +R, and type eventvwr.msc. Navigate through Control Panel Administrative Tools Event Viewer. Search for Event Viewer in the Windows search bar. 2. Event Logs. Event Viewer organizes events into different logs based on their sources and categories. The primary logs include application, records events logged by applications or programs. Security, logs security-related events such as logon attempts and privilege use. System, contains system events logged by the Windows operating system components. Setup, records events related to software installation and setup processes. Free, event types, Events in Event Viewer are categorized into several types: information, records normal operational events or informational messages. Warning: indicates potential issues or conditions that may require attention. Error: indicates significant issues or failures that require investigation and resolution. Critical: represents critical system errors or failures that may cause system instability or data loss. 4. Event details. Each event logged in Event Viewer contains detailed information such as Event ID, a unique identifier for the event. Source: the software component or application that generated the event. Description: a brief description of the event. Date and time: timestamp indicating when the event occurred. Event data: additional information or parameters associated with the event. 5. Filtering and searching. Event Viewer provides filtering and searching capabilities to help users quickly locate specific events or narrow down the list based on criteria such as event type, date range, event ID, or keywords in the event description. 6. Exporting and saving events. Users can export individual events or entire event logs from Event Viewer to text files, CSV files, or other formats for archival analysis or sharing purposes. 7. Event subscriptions. Advanced users and system administrators can configure event subscriptions to collect and centralize event logs from multiple computers or devices within a network. This facilitates centralized monitoring and management of system events across distributed environments. Microsoft Event Viewer is a powerful diagnostic tool for monitoring system health, troubleshooting issues, and analyzing system events in Windows environments. It provides valuable insights into the operation of software and hardware components, aiding in proactive system management and maintenance. When faced with an overwhelming number of events in the Event Viewer, you can clear them out, or if need be, save the events to a log file. With the event windows clear, reboot the machine. Once the machine has rebooted, check the Event Viewer for any events on your client's issue. Most Microsoft events are very generic and cryptic. Usually viewing the event details provides enough information for a good query search using Google. The Microsoft Error ID is a good starting point, but useful information may be difficult to find. Advanced troubleshooting techniques involve a systematic approach to identify and resolve complex issues. This includes breaking down the problem into smaller parts, understanding the system architecture, using debugging tools, analyzing logs and metrics, replicating the issue, reviewing recent changes, consulting documentation and resources, collaborating with others, using systematic testing, considering alternative solutions, and documenting the troubleshooting process. These techniques help efficiently identify and resolve issues, ensuring the smooth operation of systems and applications. Remote desktop assistance enables IT support personnel to troubleshoot and resolve technical issues on remote computers from a centralized location. It allows for real-time access to the remote desktop interface, enabling IT professionals to diagnose problems, perform troubleshooting steps, and assist users without needing physical presence. This technology enhances efficiency, reduces downtime, and improves customer satisfaction by swiftly addressing technical issues regardless of geographical location. Diagnostic and monitoring tools are essential for maintaining the health and efficiency of IT systems. These tools enable IT professionals to promptly identify, analyze, and resolve issues, ensuring optimal performance and minimizing downtime. Additionally, diagnostic tools help pinpoint the root cause of problems by analyzing system logs, performance metrics, and network traffic. They provide insights into hardware and software issues, configuration errors, and security vulnerabilities. Monitoring tools continuously track the performance and availability of IT resources, such as servers, networks, applications, and databases. They alert IT staff to potential problems or deviations from regular operation, allowing for proactive intervention before issues escalate. Overall, diagnostic and monitoring tools are vital in maintaining IT infrastructure's reliability, security, and performance, helping organizations deliver uninterrupted services and meet their business objectives. Effective customer service problem solving in an IT help desk involves active listening, empathy, systematic troubleshooting, clear communication, timely response, documentation, collaboration, and follow-up. These strategies help resolve technical issues promptly, ensure customer satisfaction, and maintain smooth operations. Empathy and active listening play crucial roles in fostering positive customer interactions in a help desk setting. Empathy involves understanding and sharing the feelings of another person. In a help desk context, it means recognizing the frustration or confusion a customer may be experiencing and responding with compassion and understanding. Active listening involves fully concentrating, understanding, responding, and remembering what is being said. It's not just about hearing the words, but also understanding the emotions and intentions behind them. This means giving the customer your full attention, asking clarifying questions, and paraphrasing to ensure understanding. By employing empathy and active listening techniques, help desk agents can create a supportive environment where customers feel heard and valued. This can lead to quicker issue resolution, increased customer satisfaction, and stronger customer loyalty. Additionally, it can help build trust and rapport between the customer and the help desk team. Proactive communication and follow-up are essential in a help desk environment for delivering exceptional customer service and ensuring customer satisfaction. Proactive communication involves reaching out to customers before they must contact the help desk with an issue. This could include sending updates about system maintenance, notifying users of potential issues, or providing tips for optimizing their experience. Follow-up is equally important, demonstrating that the help desk is committed to resolving issues completely and ensuring customer satisfaction. This could involve checking in with customers after a ticket has been resolved to ensure the solution works effectively and addresses further concerns. By incorporating proactive communication and follow-up into their practices, help desk teams can enhance customer experience, build trust, and foster long-term relationships with their users. Additionally, it helps to identify any recurring issues and opportunities for improvement within the help desk system. In this short video lesson, students learned about problem-solving techniques for IT help desk professionals. IT help desk professionals need various problem-solving techniques to address technical issues and user concerns efficiently. These include active listening, empathy, systematic troubleshooting, documentation, prioritization, clear communication, creative problem-solving, and follow-up. By applying these techniques, help desk professionals can resolve issues effectively, minimize downtime, and provide excellent customer support. Thank you for watching.